given the trade name is perspex or acrylic acid. Okay, and the monomer unit they have given is methyl methacrylate. So what is structure for methyl methacrylate is this. Okay, this is structure for methyl methacrylate. So its polymeric structure, how will be its polymeric structure? See, this bond will be utilized since it's a double bond. Okay, so how should I write this? This CH2, okay, this CH3, that ester group I will write downside, and this new bond. And this is structure for that polymer. Okay, so what changes I have made? This whatever bond is there now, this newly formed bond, the CH3 as it is, this ester group as it is, and this is a polymeric structure. So that polymer, it is utilized in making lenses, pens, security barriers, then LCD screen, shatter and resistant glass. Okay. Next it has been given Buna N. So two monomeric units are there. One is called as butadiene and second is called as acrylonitrile. Okay, so butadiene structure is this. It's 1,3-butadiene. Okay. To that there is acrylonitrile. See, this is structure for acrylonitrile. And this is nothing but butadiene. It's a 1,3-butadiene, right? So what should be the structure? See, this bond will shift to this bond will shift to this, and therefore this bond will shift furthermore. And that's why the structure will be, for that polymer will be this CH2 as it is, this CH double bond. So there is a double bond. So I have written double bond, right? Then this CH2, okay, this CH2 again, this CH2, then CH and Cn. Okay, and this is nothing but Buna N. So this is structure for that polymer, Buna N. And it is used in making adhesives, then rubber belts, then shoe soles or rings and gaskets. Okay, next is polyvinyl chloride. It's a PVC, very well known polymer. So let's see the monomer and the polymeric structure of that PVC. PVC, okay, so vinyl chloride must be the monomer unit. Okay, this is monomer unit, and how it undergoes polymerization, this bond will shift. Okay, this is PVC, it's a polyvinyl chloride. Okay, so what I have done, only this bond is going to shift furthermore, and the rest of the structures remains as it is. And it is used in making water pipes, then raincoats and flooring. Next is polyacrylonitrile. So this is a monomer unit uses acrylamide. So it's like this, CH2 double bond CH, CONH2. Okay, so again it undergoes polymerization, and what will happen? This bond will shift, and therefore the structure for that polymer is this. Okay, this is polyacrylonitrile. Okay. So polyacrylamide gel, it is used in electrophoresis. Then next is urea formaldehyde resin. So urea and formaldehyde, two monomer units are there. So see what is structure for urea. This is this urea, and this is formaldehyde. Right. So what will happen? Hydrogen from this. See what is structure for that polymer that we will see. That hydrogen will go, so it's NH. Okay, this NH, this is N. Okay, this is again N, so it's NH. Then C double bond O, then again NH. Okay, and after that there is this CH2 and N. So this CH2, okay, and this water will be removed. So this is the structure for that polymer, and it is unbreakable dinner. It is used in making unbreakable dinner, where then decorative laminates. Then next is gliptil, which is said to possess two monomer units. Again, it's ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. Okay. So what is structure for ethylene glycol? This is CH2, CH2, OH and OH. Okay, and phthalic acid structure is this. And what will happen? See, this OH and this H will go, okay, and therefore it results into removal of water, and the structure for that polymer is like this: CH2O, then this CH2, then that, this will go, okay, and that's why okay, so that will be the structure for that whatever polymer. That OH will go furthermore. So it's O, then CH2, CH2, C double bond O, that is ester. Then this benzene ring as it is, and this C double bond O and N. So this is a structure for polymer. It is used in making paints and lacquers. Then polycarbonate, there is a bisphenol and phosgene gas is there. So it's said to possess this structure like this. See, bisphenol is this. Then again we will have the benzene ring. Then CH3, benzene ring again. Okay. So this refers to the structure for polycarbonate, right? And it is used in making electrical and telecommunication, then hardware, telecommunication hardware, then food grade plastic containers, and the last one, the thermocol, that all we know. It's made from air-filled thin wad bits of polystyrene. So structure for polystyrene is this. Structure for styrene is this. Okay, this is styrene. So this is CH double bond CH2. Right, this is structure for styrene. So what should be structure for polystyrene is this. VS, polystyrene, which is nothing but thermocol. Okay, and that's why it's a non-biodegradable styrene, and that can leach when heated, and therefore it is banned nowadays. So with this, your polymer topic ends. You are supposed to make the notes as per earlier instruction. So see you, and we will see you in your next topic. Thank you.